Today, we are on Saturday at Reef City, Johannesburg, South Africa. Actually, I'm using this opportunity to say hello to lovers. Are you in love? Probably yes, because yesterday was 14 February where you were celebrating.
Love, intense feeling of affection for someone. Love.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are actually here in Johannesburg in South Africa. Where? At Reef City. Pay a visit to Reef City with me, guys. Stay tuned to the end of the video. If you are new here, please do subscribe to Fokou Media. You are welcome here, guys.
Yesterday was holiday, the 14th February, when lovers express their affection with greeting and gift. Here in the south of Johannesburg, there's a place called Reef City. This place is actually an amusement park in Johannesburg, South Africa. This place is located on an old gold mine which closed in 1971.
It's Saturday after the Valentine's Day, so we keep celebrating. Tell me, after Valentine, what have you done at home? Guys, Reef City is actually a tourist seat, which is important for you who want to discover and understand what is South Africa. South Africa is actually a very beautiful place to visit. Yeah, this is a bridge, actually a bridge, who link the left side and right side of Reef City. And then as you can see, under the bridge, we got the road going around. If I go on top of the bridge, as I'm showing you, I'll be crossing the entertainment side to evening entertainment side, let me call it like that, because this side there, we're going to have restaurant, gambling. If you are somebody who like gambling, if you like a nice restaurant where you spend some few bucks, you can also come. If you want to sit with your loved one, you can also come this side. Like I say, you have your loved one, you can usually come here, and you have a beautiful view actually. Guys, this is a new thing I can show you here in Reef City. Before, the parking was not actually built. Now we have a carport in the parking. I think this is new. It was not like this before. Let me go close to it so that you can see the difference. What is new here in Reef City? If you were here some time back, you'll notice this carport was not here. But today we got a lot of carport at the parking bay. So yes, Reef City have made some improvement here, guys. As you can see here, we have some this improvement. This kind of improvement is so lovely. So guys, I must say that this carport is look very beautiful, and if I check very well, so actually a solar panel on top. Wow, beautiful technology. So we got solar panel and then we changed it to carport. Nice technology. So I believe that here in Reef City now, the energy is coming from this solar panel. So we got multiple solar panel and we utilize it as well as a carport. Wow. So give me a comment below if this technology is using in your place, using in your country or in the town. Because here they put a solar panel, but under the solar panel they actually use it as you use the carport to park the car under, and then the solar panel will still take the sun and transform it to the energy. See how beautiful it is. This is a new thing that I found here at Reef City. So Yeah, meaning that I can put a solar panel in my house. By the time I use it as my carport, I'm gonna use the same solar panel to power my house. This is beautiful, eh? Beautiful. Water going down with this.
Reef City is actually the first entertainment destination in the south of Johannesburg.
Animal is in love here, guys, as you can see. So, Reef City receive you with a word of love. A word of love. So guys, there's a lot of love in Reef City. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe. Today, we are on Saturday at Reef City, Johannesburg, South Africa. Actually, I'm using this opportunity to say hello to lovers. Are you in love? Probably yes, because yesterday was 14th February where you were celebrating the Day of Lover. These guys are inside here.
Guys, you can see for yourself this place, Reef City.
There's a lot of love here.
Is actually a huge and very popular entertainment complex made up of a term of park and casino facility. Be with me till the end of this video, guys. I will not be able to show you the whole complex, but I believe with this my passage you can have an idea of what this complex is made of. Follow me till the end of the video. Give me a comment if possible. Like the video and share the video. My name is Fokou. Enjoy the video. Guys, your family entertainment destination in the south of Johannesburg is actually situated at 8 kilometers from the center of Johannesburg. So now you know, now you can bring your family over, bring your friend over, bring your lover over. Just like today, this Saturday, we can see here a lot of love. I will still say happy lover celebration to all the lover of the world. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Fokou Media, wherever you go. Fokou Media, c'est votre chaîne. Abonnez-vous à la chaîne, likez et partagez.